So we're in Hermannsburg. This is the original mission, which is now being refurbished. What we're looking at here is Strethlow's house. This is the residence used by Pastor Carl Strelow's house. And he was the pastor who was a senior missionary from the period 1894 to 1922. It was then occupied by Pastor Albrecht between 1926 and 1952. Down there are the maids' quarters. 16 maids lived in there. There was the mess house and the ration store. Down there was the manse. It's the old church. Behind that is the old colonial house. Bakehouse's laundry and storeroom, the stockman's house, the tannery. Over here, the little building is the correspondence school. And next to the gate there is the old schoolhouse. All part of Strelow's house there. The old colonist's house here. The colonist's house was built in 1885. It was used to accommodate married labour workers or colonists who assisted the missionaries. One room served as an Aboriginal school prior to the construction of the old schoolhouse in 1896. Now house is a museum. This building here was the smithy, the blacksmith. A lot of these buildings here at the moment don't seem to have the right sort of gear in them for the period. Obviously with the restoration they're still trying to get all the stuff together that they need. This little building behind the church is the mortuary. We caught dead in there, eh? Apparently the bodies of deceased Aboriginals were laid out here before burial. That reminds you a little bit of the to the Sicilian, doesn't it? You stab them, we'll slap them. I can't believe I said that. The tannery here was developed in the 30s for turning kangaroo skins into boots and shoes and things like that. And this little place over here is the correspondence school. This one here is the schoolhouse, can't be totally devoid of desks and things. As I said earlier on, there's a desk out there. Maybe we'll put it out under the trees for the moment, but obviously looking for relics of the past to furnish these buildings with. This is the interior of the church, and obviously there's a few pews and things. Probably it's still used for services, just looking at this. There's some plastic chairs at the back here. House. This is actually a surviving section of a former store and meat house which was on the property. Fairly sad state of repair at the moment. So there's a lot of funds required to bring this back up to a form of satisfaction. Over here was the bakery and the dining hall. Rather a large room. Hermannsburg Mission.
If you enjoyed this video, you might like to check out this video, or maybe browse this playlist. There are now over 800 videos just like these on this channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell and we'll let you know when the next video is available. If you liked this video, hit the like button, comment, and feel free to share with your friends. Thanks for watching.